Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another week in my business. Happy Monday. I just got ready for the day. I did a little workout on my new stationary bike, which I purchased on Amazon. I'm gonna leave it down below if anyone's interested because it's really nice and compact. I don't have a lot of space in my place, and we do have a gym here, but because of COVID and stuff, I just haven't been going. Let's be real, I don't go. I don't work out, like I never do. And I'm not a calorie counter. I'm not somebody who's concerned with my weight, to be honest, but I just want to be healthy. And I feel that's slipping away a little bit. I mean, after like what, 6-7 months of being in quarantine, essentially. I just wanted to say this because I think sometimes working out is like this big thing. It always freaks me out. Like I would never go to a gym. I'm just telling you right now, I've been to a gym like twice in my life and it has just terrified me and made me feel really intimidated. And so do what you can. If that is riding a stationary bike for 20 minutes a day, I'm telling you that is better than sitting on your couch. It is. I mean, of course, like if you want to really get ripped or like lose a ton of weight or something like that, yes, you're probably gonna need to do more than that, but just start. It's better than doing nothing. And now I'm going to work on a proposal that I have due to a new client or a potential new client. And then at noon, it's 11:20 right now, I'll be hopping on my first call with this networking group that I'm a part of. You all know that I love HoneyBook. It's my CRM tool. It's what I use to book my coaching clients. I love them not just because of their tool itself, but they also do a lot of cool community building kind of stuff. I got this email for this group. It's called Upward, and they were accepting applications. I just happened to glance at it. I applied and I got in. I think they said only 50 people or maybe 80. Were accepted into it, but basically it's like a mastermind group and it's kind of intense. We're meeting, I think, about twice a week until the end of the year. So it's a little intense, but I'm looking forward to it. So I really don't know what it's all about, but yeah, our first call is today. So I'll update you once that happens. All right, so that was fun. Not really much to report on yet. Obviously, we're just kind of talking about what the program was gonna be like, but I will keep you guys posted. I think I have another call on Wednesday. But my next order of business is setting up my new video lights. So I just got a couple of lights that were recommended to me or recommended on her channel. A YouTuber I watch, her name's Tammy, I cannot remember how to say her last name. It's slipping me, but I'll put her channel up here on the screen. First of all, she posted this video like last week that shook me about kind of like a life-threatening experience she had. And I've been watching her channel for a long time, like off and on, whenever I need help with something video related. And I've never, mentioned her, shouted her out, anything like that. Not that I'm this big influential person or anything, but I don't know, seeing her talk about this life-threatening thing was just like, wow, I really need to do a better job of like giving people their flowers, you know what I mean? But anyway, she does fantastic videos about cameras, lighting, audio. She has taught me more than any other channel. I don't know what it is, but something about the way that she communicates, she's very non-threatening. Like she doesn't make me feel like an idiot if I don't know how to do something. Yeah, she's fantastic. And you guys, I went to school for this. I went to school for film and I swear she's taught me like borderline more than some of my instructors have. So she recommended this video light. It is the Godox SL60W. And I have a softbox to go with it. So I'm gonna put this together and show you what it looks like and do a little first impressions, I guess. All right, latest setup. I should have listened to Tammy because she told the video to purchase a heavy duty stand, and this stand is very questionable that I have it on. It's the strongest one that I own, but I think I'm still gonna order a new one. I'll probably take it off when I'm done today because it's a little wobbly. But basically these help so that the light stays on you and it doesn't spill out into the background. And yeah, there's two separate parts if you want to purchase the same setup that I have. There's the light and then there's the softbox with the waffle, I can't remember what it's called, it's like grating or whatever. So I'm gonna do a little video test now. One thing I don't like about it though is that it's noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Key light is on 100, no light overhead. Let's see what's going on the computer here. Got a mess. Oh my gosh. Always a mess whenever I do tech stuff. Camera stuff, whatever. Alright, this is a key light on 62%. Just got done eating lunch. I'm snacking on some of these Smart Sweets. Is that what they're called? I think I told you guys about these before, but they're like, there's like nothing in these. I think it's sweetened with monk fruit, so there's like barely any sugar. Again, I don't count calories or anything, but there's 110 calories in that whole bag. I'm sorry about the sun. I got a text message. You guys know I kind of have a problem with sponsors. Like, I don't really like doing sponsored content, and this brand is actually incredible. I love working with them. So I got a message and we're supposed to have a call, but she didn't answer. So she's probably eating lunch or something. I'll call back in a second. Hello. Hi, how are you?
We can turn the headlights off. All our friends and all their voices falling silent in the car. And do you remember the fog was lifting?
Good morning. I am getting ready to film some videos. It's Tuesday. I had kind of a late start today. It's already noon. I don't know. I was just really tired this past week. It was the election week. Last week was. So I just feel like nobody got sleep in America. And I was just a little bit exhausted. So yeah, today I slept in a little bit and just kind of had like a chill morning. Hung out with Norris. I got some wedding stuff done. I paid our deposit for a photographer, forwarded that to our planner, you know, just like stuff like that. So I have a meeting with Megan at 2. So I'm gonna try to get one podcast / video filmed in between now and then film a couple more afterwards. And then is it 7? I think it's 7. I'm teaching a class, which, to be honest, I try really hard not to work that late, but it's a one-time thing, so trying to get as much done as I can before that. So just finishing up my hair. I did my makeup already. Gonna pick out some outfits and start filming. All right, I'm setting up to record a podcast. I've got an hour to do so I think I'm good to record one. I'm trying to figure out if my top is too revealing. Like, it's like, makes me blush a little. I'm normally pretty conservative when it comes to how I dress. I need to like, there we go. And I ordered this top. I like to order tops, just like cheap tops, really for the purpose of filming. And then I usually donate them after if I don't love them enough to keep them. Too many devices. But yeah, I think this one's super cute. It's just like, whoa. Maybe I'll get more views that way. I don't know. Joking, but not really. No, I'm joking. But I kind of don't have time. Norris helped me with my lighting setup with this new softbox that I got. So hopefully we're in a good place and I won't have to do too much adjusting and I'll just be able to start recording. So talk to you later. Just made a chai tea and I'm getting ready for this 7 o'clock call. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like a little bit bummed that it's at 7 o'clock because I'm so hungry. That's like exactly my dinner time and I'm also so tired, but I think the chai is gonna bring me back to life. Norris and I just went out and he got boba. I was gonna get boba, but then I realized there was a vegan ice cream store right next to it, and so I got some pumpkin vegan ice cream. So hopefully that holds me over until 9 p.m. and then I can go run out and like get some fast food or something. Probably not ideal, but in this 30 minutes, I'm going to record a quick Loom video for someone on my team who is going to take over some landing page creation, email stuff. And we had a meeting today and like, I was like, let me just do a Loom because I can show it to you on the call, but Loom is just so much easier because you can pause it, you can rewind it, you know, and I can be a little bit more in teacher mode, if you will. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then get on this call. But basically you'll go into MailerLite, I'll send you my login. Hopefully that works okay. And this is what you'll see when you log in. And then for the landing page, you'll just go over here to sites. Good morning. I realized I look a little cray, look a little wild. I think I stopped vlogging yesterday. I don't know, I just got tired. After I got done filming, I didn't really do much. I ended up watching 2 episodes of Dancing with the Stars because I was behind, and yeah, it was just kind of a chill night. So I'm gonna have a chill day today too. I was gonna record some more videos, but I looked at my calendar and realized tomorrow I don't really have much on the calendar either. So I think I'm gonna record tomorrow And today I'm just going to work on computer work. I like have some stuff I need to catch up on for clients, you know, updating blog posts for them and doing some social posts. I want to check in with all my coaching clients, and I have starting in like 10 minutes. Where's my phone? I don't know where it is, but I have one of the first like masterclass of that Upward Honeybook group that I'm in. So yeah, I just figured I'd save my face today, not do makeup since I don't have to be on camera at all today, and just record tomorrow. So yeah, I have been spending the morning, it's about noon right now, almost noon. I've been spending the morning working on my membership group. I'm moving it over. It's on a platform right now that just, I think we've exceeded the limits. You know, we've pushed the limits. We need something a little more powerful because of everyone who's joined. So I'm planning to launch this in December on Mighty Networks, which a lot of you guys I'm sure know about. It's a really great platform. So I've just been populating events in there and like just kind of getting a feel for what it's all about. So I can't look at myself like this. I need to like brush my hair. So anyway, that's what's up.
Especially as it relates to marketing and the future of marketing, native video content, and so much more. She really is an extraordinary.
Welcome to the Mom Voice. This is Lauren and Sarah with episode 88.
Oh my gosh, Lauren, I have a funny story for you.
It's a mess behind me and it's kind of noisy because I'm microwaving something, so sorry about that. But I just wanted to close with the vlog. I stopped vlogging again on Thursday and Friday, I believe, because once again I started to not feel good. So I don't know what's really going on. I have like chronic migraines, but they've been a lot better recently, but they've gotten a lot worse again over the past couple of months. I think a lot of it is just stress, like end of the year stress. Everything's piling up. The virus is becoming a big concern again. And yeah, so I'm okay, but just wanted to tell you why I stopped vlogging. But I thought I would real quick give you a little heads up about the content that's coming up on this channel as well. So I think I just talked about end of the year stress, and now I'm going to do this to myself. I think I'm going to try to do 3 videos a week for the rest of the year, because I do want to participate in good old Vlogmas. Now, obviously, this is Vlogmas with the twist. It's going to be primarily Week in My Business focused, so mostly videos like this where I'm sharing behind the scenes of my business and stuff, but of course, a little bit of my personal life is going to like sneak in there. So just a heads up, if you just follow me for business stuff, you might see what I make for Thanksgiving, things like that. But yeah, it'll pretty much be a week in my business every single week, starting next week on Wednesday. So that's my goal. I'm going to try my best to get there. The sun just came out. But yeah, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos is what I'm planning. And also stay tuned for my Black Friday sales. I am going to be doing a really big bundle sale on some of my courses. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to be the first to hear about that. Oh my goodness. It's time for me to go. Follow me on Instagram and I'll be posting about my Black Friday sales, which will be coming up here in just a couple days. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry this was a short one. Hopefully you guys liked it still. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you in my next video. And so the sirens are out. It is really time for me to go. Bye guys.